Most of the products around us are manufactured in factories. However, many issues are emerging in manufacturing. To solve this problem, we are promoting the introduction of robots and automation by machines. Factory automation. Panasonic Industry aims to create sustainable manufacturing sites where resources and efforts are utilized more efficiently. Our devices drive manufacturing as the core of various operations. A brain that supports control, logic processing, data collection, and communication is crucial in factory automation to enable safe and efficient production. The brain of the system is Panasonic Industry's PLC. By linking with various machines, it's possible to manage them comprehensively and efficiently. It connects all operations by gathering sensor data, executing programmed commands, transmitting signals to the driver that controls the servo motor. In addition, it supports IoT by transferring data to the cloud, upper servers, and PCs. Our sensors detect the position, shape, and state of objects with high accuracy. Image sensors, SV, capture high-resolution images and detect minute defects accurately. Network Function Integrated Type, Laser Displacement Sensor HLG2 offers high precision for quality control and anomaly detection. This effectively reduces the defect rate of products. In manufacturing sites, collecting real-time data and visualizing it through remote monitoring on programmable display devices via a PLC enables remote management and instant information sharing. This contributes significantly to operational efficiency and labor reduction. Our servo systems enable precise positioning and smooth operation, and are used in semiconductor equipment requiring fast, high-precision control. The high-end model, Servo System Minas A7 family, is equipped with an advanced control algorithm that performs optimal control according to operating conditions. By connecting to the GM1 motion controller, further improvements in work efficiency and productivity are possible. Ensuring safety is an important point at manufacturing sites. We introduce sensors fulfill that role. Safety light curtains detect objects or people using infrared or lasers. Machines automatically stop when a worker enters a hazardous area. The safety door switch detects whether the machine's protective door is open or closed. When the door is opened, the machine automatically stops operating to ensure the safety of the operator. Our sensors and devices protect workers' safety by restricting access to dangerous areas and improving the safety of the working environment. Panasonic Industry will continue to anticipate the future of manufacturing envisioned by our customers and evolve our devices.
Your committed enabler, Panasonic Industry.